Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Sitara. Today we are going to learn some important vocabulary words from the editorial section of the Hindu newspaper. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exams. So let's start. Our first word stigma, which means social shame or disgrace. Next, intervention, action taken to improve a situation. Next, discrimination, unfair treatment of people. Next, petition, a formal written request. Next, content, to argue or claim something strongly. Next, statute, a written law. Next, predisposition, natural tendency. Next, unsanitary, which means dirty and unhealthy. Next, susceptibility, which means likelihood of being affected. Next, persuade, which means the act of trying to achieve something. Next, comprehensive, which means complete and detailed. Next, rehabilitation, which means restoring to a normal or better state. Next, dignity, self respect and honor. Next, plea, which means a serious request. Next, enact, which means to make a law official. Next, derogatory, which means insulting or disrespectful. Next, plethora, which means a very large amount. Next, antediluvian, which means extremely old fashioned. Next, remedial, which means meant to correct the problem. And last word, unfathomable, which means impossible to understand. Thank you for learning.